What's up, man? Today we're studying Paul Bunyan's statue and birthplace. It is located in Akeley, Minnesota, which is right here on the Minnesota map.
North Minnesota. Yeah.
The small town of Akeley was once known as the home of Paul Bunyan's cradle, which was unveiled in 1949. The big cradle is still there, but now it's a tall Paul Bunyan statue. Erected in 1984 that bends down on one knee, his mighty axe in one hand, and his other hand stretched down to the ground so that tourists can sit on his big palm for unique photos. Akeley, Minnesota is right here on the Minnesota map. And there's Paul Bunyan for you.